Oftentimes, it seems like some guys have all the luck when it comes down to attracting women. They can instantly captivate them, and always have a variety of women in the rolodex, ready to go at the drop of a hat. You might be wondering whether it's their personality, or their looks that get them this type of attention. However, more often than not, it's a combination of these two characteristics, along with some other specific traits that make them super attractive to women. One might be searching for that instant charisma, the ability to wield that kinetic magnetism and light up a room. Instead of watching other men have all the luck with attracting women, wouldn't you love to be able to brandish the power to attract the type of women that you want with ease? There are certain subtle attributes that a man can incorporate into his game that will drive women absolutely wild. So with that said, here are a few subtle ways you can make a woman instantly want you badly. Number 1. Have a cologne that defines you. Upon meeting someone for the first time, we notice the clothes they are wearing, their shoes, and the way they smell. Scent is a huge part of natural attraction, and it's something we associate with people we are interested in. This could mean the scent of a friend, a relative, or the scent of a love interest. So if you want a woman to instantly want you badly, make sure you wear a cologne that's irresistible. You'll have to spend some time choosing a cologne that matches you and your personality. For example, if you have more of a reserved personality, you might prefer to wear a more woody type of scent. If you are more of the outgoing type, then look for more of an oceanic or spicy scent. And of course, if this gets too overwhelming, you can just go into a store where they sell aftershave and cologne, and get them to match a scent to you and your personality. Smelling good also gives us a lot of confidence, which will help attract women of all types. Number 2. Have a great sense of style. Women care about what a man looks like and what he wears. This may not be super high on some women's priority list, however they still do care about it. So imagine yourself standing across the room from a woman. The very first thing you are going to notice about her is what she is wearing. An outfit takes up the most space on a person, which is why it's usually the first thing we actually pay attention to. Before you even have to say a word, your outfit makes a dazzling first impression on a girl. So it goes without saying, putting an effort into your style is important. It shows a woman that you care about how you show yourself off to the world. However, if you do find it difficult to style yourself, you can seek some advice from a professional, or ask a fashionable friend to go shopping with you. But make sure you get the basics right: a decent top, a nice jacket, and some jeans. Make sure you update these pieces every few months so that you always look sharp. Having a good sense of style will always give you the best chance to instantly make a great first impression. Number 3. Live an interesting and exciting life. If you have ever been to the movies, it's easy to get sucked into the life of the main character. We've all been there. We idly sit at the theater for hours, living vicariously through the life of the main character. Then we start to think, I would love to have a friend like that, or just be in their life some way. You want to share the excitement that they are experiencing, and the same goes for a woman when she is interested in a man she is dating. She wants someone who has an interesting and exciting life that she can join. She wants to always be having fun with you, and do spontaneous exciting things. So try to have as many exciting things happening as possible, and once you meet a woman, you can tell her all about your life and have her instantly wanting you. Number 4. Keep in good shape and embrace self-care. Just as we spoke about how important an outfit is to make a great first impression, it is also imperative that you keep in good shape physically, so that you are looking your best in the clothes that you are in. A man in shape with a nice set of clothes on, and you'll have the girl of your dreams falling at your feet. You need to hit the gym, or play a sport that you enjoy regularly, so that you really do look your best in anything that you wear. Once you are looking great, women are going to want you badly. You also need to stay groomed, which means cutting your hair in a style that suits you, trimming your facial hair, and keeping up your overall hygiene. This will all certainly help when it comes to making a great overall first impression, but also making great instant attraction for any woman. Number 5. Be great at flirting. Have you ever been told that you were great at flirting? If you haven't, it might be an area that you need to work on. You can start by watching some of our previous videos on flirting techniques for starters. When a woman first meets you, she needs to know that you don't just want to be friends, otherwise that's where the friend zone begins. She wants to know that you are interested in her, and that you want more than a friendship. Flirting with her will show this clearly. So get the practice in, be ready to show her that you mean business when you first meet her. She will instantly know that you want more than a friendship, and start putting her best foot forward. Number 6. Display your skills and talk about your passions. Think of this as sort of like an elevator pitch. You have 15 minutes to make an impression on the woman of your dreams. So that starts with your outfit, how you smell, your ability to flirt, and having an interesting life. All of these things are super important, however your passion and skills will help seal the deal. Passion is important, and women love a guy who is motivated and knows what he wants. So if she asks what are your hobbies and what are you interested in, have something lined up ready to tell her about. You may play a sport, you could run your own business, or work in a job that you are really passionate about. Whatever it is, do not hold back on telling her about it, and why you enjoy it so much. Also touch on your future and your goals. Even if the two of you just met, it's good for her to know that you have aspirations, something to look forward to, and that you have a life plan. This is something that you can easily do, which is going to make her extremely weak at the knees. Number 7. Show that you are protective of her. Women love it when men are protective of them. They want a guy who is going to look after them in their time of need. Do not wait until you are in a relationship to start this. Start right away by doing small things. For example, walking on the roadside to protect her from oncoming traffic, holding her hand if you are in a busy area, or if someone is rude to her, getting a hold of them and calling them out is a great way of showing protection. When women think of protective men, they actually think of someone who is Hulk-like, but also kind of soft on the inside. If a guy instantly tries to protect women, they will always like and think about them. So if you want her to instantly want you bad, be protective from the very beginning. Number 8. Be a gentleman. Being a gentleman is kind of a lost art right now, and many men have forgotten just how important it is. And it's such an easy thing to do that can help you win a woman over. A few simple, gentlemanly things to start off with doing are: opening doors for her, taking her coat, hanging it up, and walking on the roadside when walking her home. These simple acts will help you stand out from the crowd and be different. Always remember, we are all judged on how we behave and treat other people, so in a world full of men who are busy not being a gentleman will actually get you the woman's attention.